I just want to say one thing about 3D printing that's really important for you guys to know about. So I've seen many, beginner printers and, makers that just leave their filament out near their printer just like this. Dust will go on the filament and the filament will absorb moisture. And the moisture and the dust can accumulate and clog up the extruder. So what you want to do to really prevent this is get these sort of insulating bags. They come with Zyro filament, but I mean you can get them on Amazon. There are these just insulating bags that you can stick filament in. And then also another big one is the silica packet right here. They have them to keep things fresh, keep them with the fresh smell. Maybe new pencil boxes, new boxes, new packages. So yeah, you could probably find those on Amazon, just silica packets. So this will improve the quality of the print. And all plastics really want to do is absorb what is all around them. So again, with the dust, the moisture in the air, like maybe bubbles or PLA and ABS don't absorb too much moisture. It doesn't really go to a percentage of weight at that point. And just like I said, a sealed bag and the silica packet will basically do you the good job. So just make sure, the sealed bag, the silica packet, and you can buy Zyro filament right there to the left, and they sell it, and the bag comes with it. And so basically, yeah, that's it. I mean, that is maybe a small factor in 3D printing, but it can accumulate and it can get big. So it is as simple as a silica packet, so it isn't really worth it to, keep your filament out. I mean, you can just save all that money that it costs to buy your filament just by getting a sealed bag, insulation bag. It doesn't even have to be insulation. And then also a silica packet, very cheap. So if you follow these simple steps, you can really find the results. I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed to NJ Printing, do that right now. Leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment it down below. And shout out to John for subscribing. Go check out his YouTube channel there, and he has really good quality content, so go check him out. Also, I want to give a quick shout out to Chad Baylor for subscribing. He was one of our first subscribers, so thank you, Chad, and John for subscribing. It's never too late to subscribe. Just go down there and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.